Dako naman po ako dun sa testing of new voting machines. Because we will be using what some commentators consider to be a prototype in the upcoming elections. At kung prototype, hindi po ito alinsunod sa ating batas. Ito'y paglabag sa batas. Yung mga makina po bang yan na ililis natin, adequately po bang na-test yung mga yon, good sponsor?
Yes, the commission hesitates and must refrain from giving comment on what is sub judice, given that there's a petition filed by former Congressman Egay Erice with the Supreme Court, already docketed. And nevertheless, they have volunteered that, in fact, they are presently testing and they've adopted a very rigid technical evaluation mechanism in compliance with the AES. And part of that testing actually occurred after the Senate committee's hearing regarding the same topic of a prototype as opposed to a system.
And have there been any reassuring findings emerging from the testing about prototype lamang ba itong system na ito? Has it been tested in anywhere else in the Philippines or anywhere else in the world in any other election, good sponsor?
Yes, we were all very impressed by the brand new machines, even though we were told that while the machines that were brought to the Senate were brand new, it was an old system that had been used many times in Korea, which is the nationality, of course, of Miru. At na-impress naman kami kasi lahat touchscreen, ang bilis-bilis, parang ang dali-dali bumoto. Kaya't natuwa naman kami kasi parang lalabas yung resulta kaagad-agad.
Alin pong system yung nagamit na sa Korea, good sponsor?
Yes, we are combining the touchscreen OMR system that's used in South Korea and the shading system, the DRE that we're familiar with here in the Philippines. So we are hopeful that we actually have double the security provided.
So, good sponsor, yung OMR system nagamit na nga sa Korea.
Yes,
Pero
paulit-ulit na po.
Yes.
Ganon din yung shading na DRE ng Pilipinas.
yes, subukan na natin ang DRE dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yung kombinasyon ng OMR at DRE, nagamit na rin po ba ito sa Korea or nagamit na po ba ito sa kahit alin pang ibang bansa, good sponsor?
Actually, we're going to be utilizing only one system at a time. Locally, in the Philippines, we'll be using the DRE, which is a familiar system. I'm sorry. We're going to be using within the Philippines the OMR, the touchscreen system, locally here in the Philippines, which is the shading. And overseas, in the 17 different posts that will be allowing internet voting, we will not be using OMR or the internet voting.
DRE po sa overseas, good sponsor.
Yes, that's correct.
So, hindi, ibig sabihin, kombinasyon yung system, OMR at DRE, pero yung OMR lamang ang gagamitin locally, samantala yung DRE ang gagamitin overseas.
Yes, tama po 'yun kasi pinag-usapan dapat isang sistema lang that's been well tested precisely as you mentioned that it should not be a brand new untested system. So we're going to be using the long standing system of the OMR, and only overseas where there is no internet voting will the DRE be utilized.
So yung kombinasyon, kahit yung kalahati lang ng system ay gagamitin dito at yung isang kalahati ay gagamitin overseas, yung kombinasyon ng OMR at DRE, never before in the world used.
Hindi
Sponsor.
pagkahalo yung OMR at DRE. Naka-off yung DRE dito sa Pilipinas, hindi yan gagamitin at all. Solid OMR as usual. Pero dun sa ibang bansa, yung DRE naman ang gagamitin, yung OMR nakapatay naman. Para isa lang na sistema, hindi yung halo-halo at hindi yung sabihin natin na bagong kombinasyon na hindi pa nagagamit noon.
Gayunpaman, good sponsor, yung system as such, yung subject ng JV, ay sistema na combined OMR at DRE. Kahit na parang sa switch, may dalawang switch. Dito sa session hall, isang switch lang ang bubuksan natin para sa isang klaseng ilaw. Sa mga opisina natin, yung pangalawang switch ang gagamitin para sa ibang klaseng ilaw. Pero yung sistema pa rin ay kombinasyon ng dalawang klaseng sistema, OMR at saka DRE. Good sponsor.
I think it would be more accurate to say that they are not actually combined. Both options are just available in the machines. Individually, each has been tested. Kumbaga sa ilaw, regular electric supply, pero kapag na brown out, tsaka lang gagamitin yung genset.
So 'di ba, kung ganun, good sponsor, bakit hindi na lang OMR machines ang pinrocure or ililease para dito sa Pilipinas, DRE machines para sa ibang bansa? Dahil kung sa iisang kaha may dalawang sistema, pero i-activate yung isa o yung isa depende sa switch na bubuksan, combination system talaga siya. OMR at DRE, good sponsor, na hindi pa nagagamit dito sa Pilipinas or malamang sa ibang bansa sa mundo, good sponsor.